Hi, this is Bill Windsor, and I'm here inside the Grays Harbor County Courthouse, Grays Harbor County, Washington. This is the place where Judge Gordon GODfrey hangs his hat, and a couple of other judges, and guardian ad litems, and various and sundry other people. I came here today because as far away as Spokane, Washington, which is a long ways away from here, I started hearing stories about Judge Gordon GODfrey. As I got closer to Olympia, I began hearing that Judge Gordon GODfrey considers himself to be God. So I came here today to this small town in Grays Harbor County close to the seashore on the western edge of Washington State to talk to people about Judge GODfrey. And I understand that not only has he told lawyers in chambers that the first three letters of his last name are G-O-D, and that means something. He's actually told people in his courtroom that he's God. Now, he may limit that to his courtroom, but I think what it's indicative of is the runaway nature of the judiciary in our country, and certainly here at this courthouse and in Washington State. You know, in our country, we have a problem with judges who commit the unauthorized practice of God. But in Grays Harbor County, Washington, it's the only case where we've actually had a God admit it. A judge named GODfrey claims he's God. Now, I've talked to dozens of people here in the area, and I'm convinced that the report's incorrect. We don't need people from all over the world to flock to Grays Harbor County, Washington, in search of God because he's not here. There's a judge in here named Judge Gordon GODfrey who thinks he's God, but he's not. Because God has a completely different set of characteristics than Judge GODfrey has. To the citizens of this county, you need to eliminate this judge. You need to get him off the bench. You need to hold a recall election. He never has anyone run against him. You folks need to rise up and eliminate people like Judge GODfrey from sitting in position of authority over your lives and the lives of your children and your grandchildren and your loved ones. The stories that I've heard would curl your toenails. So watch the movie, Lawless America. Judge Gordon GODfrey will be one of the stars of the movie. And so far, I only know 2 or 3 people to be starring, but I assure you, Judge Gordon GODfrey, that's spelled G-O-D-F-R-E-Y, will be a star in Lawless America The Movie. The movie will be released in theaters in June of 2013 if all goes well, and I hope hundreds of millions of people see and hear about this judge and just realize the same thing happens in other courts all around the country. It's just that other judges just act like they have a power that's superior to everyone else. Here, we just have a judge who admits it.